Just have no authority to kick people out if they're working. Bro, why you gotta be rude about it? We are leaving, but just listen to us for a second. No, you're rude. You're rude. You're rude. Oh, look, there's a cop here. Good. Hi. Can we speak to you for a second? We're working. Look, hold on. Don't listen to this guy. Listen.
You can't.
We're working on a news story.
Officer Cohen, badge number 629. I understand. Who are you with? Are you with the news agency? No. Are you with a news agency?
Yeah.
Or are you just independent?
We're independent, but yes, we're big, bro. So we're just. Well, it matters. It matters because, you know, this is not just any camera. You know, we have thousands of people that are watching. And as a police officer, you're supposed to protect our right to video record in a public area. The judge has no authority to come up with any laws.
Over the court. Did they give you the court? Did they give you the judge's order?
That's why we have legislation and senators and people who actually make the law. He doesn't come up with the law. He has to enforce it.
The presiding judge, though, can issue guidance for their own building, right? And that's what they've done. So that's why I was just making sure they gave you.
Yeah, they can, but they can't just issue any rules that go against our rights.
So what you can do is you can go and file a lawsuit against this, and you can see if it can get overturned. Why would you go and challenge the court order? Do you understand those things?
Yeah, we do. Hey, so we do, but you as our local police, we're counting on you, man.
I'm telling you, you have the right.
Why are you here for then if you can't just protect our rights? You're not there here to just catch criminals.
I'm not here to debate with you either.
Well, you are.
What I'm explaining to you is that's the court order. That's what we're going to enforce, right? Because that's what we do.
But you,
a reasonable conversation. You're saying I'm not going to make a decision to go to jail over something silly, right?
It's not silly. I could go to. I've gone to.
Over your
this is actually very serious, and I've actually made the decision 7 times to go to jail for this.
I don't disagree with you that it's a serious issue, but it is also something that you have other reasonable recourses for. So there's no reason that you couldn't go through and exhaust those.
What about your oath? The judge just trampled on the First Amendment, and you guys are backing it up.
You know what a judge does when you trample the First Amendment? You go and sue. And then you have another presiding judge.
Here you go again with suing. I don't want people's money, bro. I work and I make my own money. I don't need the citizens.
It's not about money.
Yes, if I sue the city of Chandler, who's paying?
Okay, but it's not about the money.
The citizen. Yes, it is. That the Constitution is the most important thing. You took an oath to protect that, and you're shitting on it.
Okay.
You're shitting on it.
Well, I'm not. But you have a good rest of your day. Okay.
You too. Make sure you go read the Constitution. I'm gonna be filming through the window. I don't want to be filmed, but you got a whole window right here. They're such idiots. Look, now they're being filmed right here.
Oh, there we go. There's any at the bottom.
Yeah.
Go to the door.